assumption to obtain these results. Accept or reject hypotheses if you have any. It depends on your research work. Okay, after this we will have another section, and as you see it is important too. This section is discussion. Discussion really is a logical argument about your findings and comparing your findings from between your findings and other findings, and illustrating your work and your findings. And another discussion is argument about only the results and what these results mean, the meaning of your results really. And speaking about the result verification, it is very important because you must speak that your results are true, and you must verify your results in your discussion or speak about the verification process. Then discussion, as you see, develop a logical argument about what your results mean, and then your results provide evidence to illustrate and support your work. And the argument identify potential errors, what might invalidate your results, how might you improve research design. These are the main importance: validation and verification of your results, and how you verify your results. And the other things, is it possible, or it might be possible to improve your research design and your research work. And the other part is conclusion. As you see, discussion at first and then conclusion. Conclusion is really a restatement of the research problem, a summary statement of main findings and their significance, maybe a little comparison between your findings and other findings, shortcomings of the research, agenda for future research. It is very important because you specify other works or other research works that may be valuable in future. Okay. After this, we have another section of speaking about writing. By this section, we completely speak about general writing. And now we end our speaking about general writing, and now we want to start another item of speaking. What it is about special writing, about paper writing, for example, proposal writing and thesis writing. Okay, up to now we have a general speaking about general writing. This speaking about general writing can be used for example, proposal writing, can be used for thesis writing, can be used for paper writing. But in each of them, for example, in proposal or in paper you must, for example, have a little description or combine, for example, introduction by literature review. You will have some speaking about methodology, but a brief speaking about methodology, and maybe some conclusion, some composition of results and discussion, and at first a brief conclusion because paper is short. In thesis you will have some long speaking about these items and these sections. Then in each writing, in each kinds of writing, you will have some special things or special considerations. Now we want to speak about these things. As you know, we spoke about the paper writing. We have two other things that we want to speak about it: proposal writing and thesis writing. At first, we want to speak about proposal writing. This is an example of proposal writing. We have some comments and some important things about proposal writing, and then some sample proposal text. This is the text and a special example. This is an example of a proposal. This is not too much important. We focus on the comments. Okay, now let's start about proposal writing. As you see, the first thing is about the title of a proposal. The title must provide a brief and meaningful title. You must select a brief and meaningful title to your project. For example, in this sample, a conceptual framework for scheduling constraint management. For example, this is. And another thing, another comment for proposal writing: introduction. What is the main comments of introduction in proposal? Background or introduction section provides a description of the basic facts. It is very important. Description of basic facts and importance of the research area. Two things: basic facts or basic science, and research importance or application of the research. It shows your motivation for this kind of work. What is your research area? The motivation of research, and how important is it for the industry, practice, knowledge, advancement. Okay. For example, the area of importance: industry, practice, or knowledge advancement. The other thing for the proposal writing is problem statement. In problem statement provides a clear and concise description of the issues that need to be addressed. Really, the main things of your work, really. What is the specific problem in that research or in your research area that you will address? Okay, really it shows your goals or your aims of your research work. Lack of understanding of a subject, it means, for example, lack of understanding of a subject, you want to provide this. Or low performance, you must have a new, for example, design for better performance, or anything like this. After problem statement, you have objectives. Objectives, it is clear your goals, your aims. Objectives provide a list of goals that will be achieved through the proposed research. What are the benefits, impacts that will be generated if the research problem is answered? You must have some better understanding, improved productivity in the goal or in the impact of your work For example, better understanding